When it comes to choosing the right help desk software, HelpCrunch is one of the options you'll find. But before you make a decision, there are 12 important things you need to know. We're going to break it down so you can decide if HelpCrunch is the right fit for your business, especially when compared to competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk. First off, HelpCrunch offers a unified platform for customer support, marketing, and sales. Unlike other solutions, HelpCrunch combines live chat, email marketing, and knowledge base management into a single interface. This means you don't need to juggle multiple tools to manage different aspects of customer support and engagement. Next thing, let's talk about customization. HelpCrunch provides a high level of flexibility when it comes to tailoring the platform to your brand. You can adjust chat widgets, email templates, and even automate responses based on customer behaviors. But if you're looking for deep customization in terms of workflow automation, some competitors like Freshdesk might offer more complex options. The third thing to note is HelpCrunch's ease of use. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly with a clean, simple interface that doesn't require a lot of training to get started. This is a big plus if you're a small business or don't have a dedicated IT team. Zendesk, while robust, can feel overwhelming at first for new users. Now, let's talk about integrations. HelpCrunch supports integration with a range of third-party tools like Slack, Shopify, and Salesforce. But it's worth mentioning that while HelpCrunch integrates with key platforms, it might not have as extensive a library of integrations as some of its competitors, like Zendesk, which supports hundreds of apps. The fifth thing is pricing. HelpCrunch offers tiered pricing based on the number of agents and features you need, but it can get a bit expensive if you're looking for advanced features like automation. Compared to Freshdesk, HelpCrunch's pricing may be a bit higher, especially if you're just starting out and need basic functionality. The sixth thing to know is the customer support provided by HelpCrunch. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email, but one downside is that they don't have phone support. If you're someone who prefers more direct support, you may find competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk offering more comprehensive options. Next thing to consider is the reporting and analytics features. HelpCrunch provides basic analytics on customer interactions, team performance, and response times. However, the reporting features aren't as in-depth as some other platforms like Zendesk, which provides more advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, particularly for larger teams. The eighth thing is knowledge base management. HelpCrunch allows you to create and maintain a knowledge base, which is helpful for your customers and your team. However, its knowledge base management features may not be as robust or flexible as what you'll find with Freshdesk, which offers a more powerful knowledge base tool with advanced categorization. Another key point is the mobile app. HelpCrunch's mobile app is functional, allowing agents to respond to customer queries on the go. But if you need a more polished, feature-rich mobile experience, platforms like Zendesk might offer a smoother mobile app experience for managing tickets and chats. The 10th thing to mention is automation. HelpCrunch provides basic automation features, such as automated ticket routing and canned responses, but it doesn't offer the deep workflow automation that you'd get from competitors like Freshdesk, which has a broader range of automation capabilities. The 11th thing is the free trial. HelpCrunch offers a 14-day free trial, which gives you plenty of time to test out its features. That said, it's not as long as Freshdesk's 21-day trial, giving you a bit more time to explore before committing. Finally, HelpCrunch is a solid option for businesses looking for an all-in-one customer support and marketing tool. It's especially useful for small to medium-sized businesses with its simple interface and unified platform. However, if you're looking for a more feature-rich solution with deeper customization and automation options, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial and could better fit your needs. In conclusion, HelpCrunch is a great option for businesses looking for a versatile and easy-to-use platform. But if you're seeking a more comprehensive and customizable solution, we've got a recommendation for you that you can try today for free.